So I know what you guys are thinking. Y'all probably like, man, you haven't been in roasting my subscribers waves in a minute. Yeah. And I know I haven't, but since I haven't made a roasting my subscribers waves, you guys been asking and asking, boy, like my DMs. Like I'm telling you, I've never been asked to do a video so many times. Like I said, I'm gonna make it up to you guys. We're gonna do 3 of these in a row. No other videos except these. But there is one more thing before we get into this video. There's one more thing that I noticed. I was in Wave Man Mike's video. It was Rate That Waiver YouTuber edition. So I was like, you know what? Let's watch this together. You feel me? Like let's watch this together.
Next up is 360 Woods. He makes dope videos too. Definitely very underrated. High quality videos. In terms of his waves, definitely really good too. His pattern is really good. Probably one of the best straight hair waivers on YouTube in terms
y'all feel me? Y'all know who we got over
and video quality. One of the best for sure. What would I rate his waves? I'm gonna go ahead and say 8.5.
Oh, okay. I'll live with an 8.5. I'll live with that. We getting that 10 next time though. You guys already know Woods Gang. We about to get a 10 on that next rating. No matter who it is, no matter who rates us next time, you guys know we about to get this 10. We about to get this brushwork in. But you know what? Now that I've been rated, now it's time for me to rate you guys. So let's go ahead and let's get into the video. I feel like it comes in every YouTuber's life or content creator, whatever you want to call me, it really doesn't matter. We're gonna make dumb mistakes. My screen recording just automatically just shut off on my phone. I don't know why. Why I did it, I don't know. So now this is my second time doing this, okay? Now we're gonna try to do this again, okay? Another 30 minutes of my life I can't get back, but I do it for you guys. Yeah! I do it for you guys. This is the guy I rated. I didn't rate. He had a question. It was kind of really relatable to you guys. See, I want to start out with this question.
I was trying to see if this is normal.
Okay.
Like the front don't really be waving like that. Like I have this part right here and like a little type ripple dip, whatever you want to call it, right there, and that's how it looks. The top. When you look at the back, it looks like it's waving way better.
Yep.
Is that normal? Like my sides or whatever, to be honest, they're not all that. But I just want to know that's normal because my back looks good. My back.
Now, when it comes to waves that disconnect or your back looking better than your top. Now, most people, they see that when wavers first start their journey that their top is the first thing that looks good. It's the first thing that gets ripples. It's the first thing that gets waves that are actually starting to connect. Some people are different. Sometimes their sides grow faster than their top and their back. Sometimes the back grows faster than the sides and the top. It all really just depends how your hair grows. The back of your head is growing faster than the top, and the sides are even growing faster than the top too. I don't know why, but that's how your hair grows, which is fine. That's how your hair grows. Everybody is different. You just need to go on a straight wolf session. You need to reach your curl length on every angle of your hair. You can either wolf for 6 weeks and then cut it and then do another 6 weeks and then cut it and then keep going over and over and over again if you want to. Or you could just go ahead and wolf straight like how I do, how I wolf 12 weeks or however many weeks you want to do, and then cut it, and then you'll notice the progress of your top. We go get him. Look. Oh, snap. Oh, I did not mean to call him. My B. Shoot. I meant to do something. I meant to do this. Look. I'm about to surprise him real quick. Hey, look, bro, I didn't mean to call you, but I just want to let you know, you know what, you made it in the video. You know what I'm saying? You made it in the video. I hope you're gonna be watching this video now. All right, I sent it to him once. He can't replay it and send it to his friends.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But I told him when I was rating this dude's waves, I basically said, I looked at it and I was like, okay, I see your progress, see your progress. You guys see the progress right here. You guys see it right here, right? But yeah, he got good progress. The taper was looking clean. Tell your barber, I said, man, you know how to cut. I was basically saying that short hair waivers, our best quality is our shine to our hair. Medium, coarse hair waivers, they wish that they could have this shine to their hair like how we do. So when we're really doing we're really showing off our waves. You really want to make sure that the shine in your hair is really nice. You want to make sure that your waves are laid, rag up, anything. Throw some PB to go butter in your hair. I mean, if you got the money for it, I mean, for me, it's worth it. I got some PB to go butter in my hair right now, and my waves is looking nice and shiny. I rated him a solid 8, and it was because of the shine in his hair. Now, for straight hair wavers, the shine in our hair, low-key, it makes it seem that our waves are better than what they are. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into some more waves. I don't know who the heck I rated. I'm basically trying to find everybody because I'm going to feel bad, okay? I'm going to feel bad if this video ends and this person will be like, I didn't see myself in the video. I'm going to be like, oh, I'm sorry. But put me in the next video. I got you. You in the video right now. Okay. Okay. He in there. That's the before, I believe. Now we're going to see the after. Okay. I can tell you right now what side you brush more. You brush the left side more than your right. How do I know this? Now look. Look at his right. Now we go to his left. That looked like 360 was 360 waves back before I switched to 540s. And then the right side looked like you kind of just starting. So what you need to do is every waver has its weak side. It doesn't matter who it is. No matter 360s, Sir Cruz, I don't care who it is, okay? All waivers have a weak side. It's simple. You just brush that side first before you get to the other sides of your hair.
Really?
So you brush your weak side first, and then after you brush your weak side, then you can go on to your like normal brush session routine. I don't know how you do it, but yeah, make sure you want to make sure that you brush your weak side first. You want to make sure that that is getting a lot of attention because that's the weak. Oh, I didn't even rate you. I'm sorry, bro. So what I'm basically gonna rate you is I'm gonna rate you a solid 7. Hola, 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 hola. Now, how you gonna say do a Russian screen video and gonna get me on there? He gonna send me somebody's profile, right? I click on the profile and it's private. Sometimes they do this. Let me see. Oh!
Dumbass motherfucker.
I found it. Okay. I found it. Aquafina, I found it. Okay. Here we go. Man, these are a lot of videos, bro. Like, on God, this is a lot of videos. Let's watch all these videos. Nope, we don't do audio. Okay. See you. He a little forky though in the front. It's all Gucci though. He's definitely working on that crown. The waves look deep as hell. You could tell he's a medium texture waver. Nah, we ain't doing that. We ain't doing that. I'm not getting copyrighted again. I'm not getting copyrighted. I'm not gonna do it. Okay. See, he's still working on that crown. Okay. You guys still see he's working on that crown. Look, I'm telling you, the crown is the hardest thing to form. I don't care what people say. He's definitely putting in some work on that crown. He said, roast my waves, exclamation point. Okay then, chill, bro. Chill with that. Okay, look, we're going to say that he wants me to rate this picture because this picture looks the best out of all of them. You went above and beyond than what you should have, okay? But it's all Gucci. Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Keep working on the crown. Just isolate your crown. How you really take your crown to the next level is you just put in a whole bunch of brush work. I'm going to give you a 10 because I'm not about to be nitpicky and your waves looking that connected and everything, and the only thing you really need is a crown. You deserve that 10. Actually, you deserve this trophy right here. You deserve this trophy right here. You know what? So you know I'm gonna hold this trophy for you. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it for you. Okay? But because somebody might take it in this episode, so I gotta keep it for you. But keep it nice, safe in my pocket. You feel me? Man, this video is about to be long. I hope that my editing was so dope that I cut this video down, but I feel like this video about to be long. So I already rated him. It's not my first time seeing his waves. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you guys. What I said about his waves though is I felt like his barber doesn't make his waves pop. Now what I mean by that is because your barber is a really important person to a waver, and the reason is because as a waver, you basically, the taper got to be popping. If your haircuts look nice, the blend look nice, your waves is gonna look nice. You feel me? I gave you a 9 already, but I said I'm not feeling your barber's taper. It just I feel like I don't like it. It's just I'm not feeling it. I see you. You in there. He's in there. So this is what I'm noticing with his waves. Okay. Now his waves, you can tell that in the back he's a little bit he has a little fork right there, which is, I mean, like I said, I'm not about to be nitpicky with you guys. I know waves is hard to get perfect and all that. But the number one thing that I noticed, I'm not going to nitpick you, I'm not going to drop your rating because of the little fork in the back. But the reason why you're not getting a 10 is because that crown area, you really need to wolf that crown area out. You really need to go on a wolf session so your crown area can get to that curl, can get to its curl length and start to wave up, and then you can work on your crown, and then your waves are gonna, they're just gonna be more elite all around. What I want to say to you is that what the heck was I gonna say? I don't even remember. I ain't even gonna cap. Let me think. Yeah, I don't remember. I'm gonna give you a solid 9 because it was the crown area. Like I said, I'm not about to nitpick you about that fork in the back. Oh, Jesus. We got a coarse hair waver in the building. We got a coarse hair waver in the building. And I'm to the ceiling. Motherfucker, don't get out your feeling. Ah, freak. Dang, man. Dang it. Can't freestyle for nothing. Okay. You see he's spinning, he's in there. I don't like the too up close pick. We could tell you using the Samsung though, bro. But it's all Gucci. You, it looks like, man, you just need to put in a whole bunch of brush work. You're still a beginner. Brushing is your best friend right now. That's all I can say to you. So I'm gonna give you a solid
really, nigga?
I'll give you a solid 4. You know, you're not really connected like that, bro. It's cool. It's cool. You know, we all start somewhere, but I'm just gotta be realistic with my ratings. I'm sorry, bro. Rate my terrible ways. That's a way to be enthusiastic. My dude, you know how to blow up a nigga phone. Let me just say that right now. Looking at your waves, I'm looking at my camera, it's about to die. I'm trying to hurry, trying to hurry. Because I've done this twice already. I didn't charge my battery, so we need to hurry. I'm trying, bro. I'm trying, because I also got to... Alright, looking Gucci. Looking Gucci. Okay. Okay. I want to see the most recent pick. Let's see.
I just need to know how to fix, like, this area, like, back here. Like, I'm brushing, but I don't feel like I'm out getting it enough. I just need to...
Let me say this real quick to you. Yes, compression is very important. I don't care if you got to wear 2 do-rags. If you don't feel like you're getting good compression, then you're not getting good compression. You really need to listen to your hair. If you feel like, yeah, man, I'm only on week 6 wolf. I mean, usually people don't double compress when you're a straight hair waver. It doesn't matter. Listen to your hair. Do what works for you. My videos are here to help you guys to get started, but after you figure out what works for your hair, do what works for you. What works for me might not work for you, and what works for you might not work for me. It's okay, but the thing that I'm trying to say is that if you don't feel like you're getting good compression, put a boo-boo cap on with your do-rag. And you know what? Get that double compression. If you feel like you need that double compression in your wolf sessions, that's perfectly fine. Do what you need to do. But that's the end of the video, guys. You know, the trophy basically went to the person I already held it up to. He had the best waves. He got like, what? I think I gave him a 10. So really dope waves. He won this episode of Roasting My Subscribers Waves. But hey, let me hurry up and end this video before my camera dies. But hey, you guys already know, if you guys are new, this is how we end the videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like the video if you like the video. Why don't you like the video if you like the video? Go ahead, drop a comment down below, because you guys already know the guys comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe, because we're dropping fire videos just like this one